This is the Blackview Oscal Pad 8. A new brand for Blackview called Oscal. There's also Oscal phones. Not really sure what it is, but this is the Tab 8. It'll set you back around $160 depending on the deal you can find. This one comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage, a 6580 mAh battery, Android 11, 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display, the SC9863A processor, and yeah, those are our main specs. Let's unbox this thing. Alright, it even comes with our little cover. Only one camera, but it's just a tablet, so that's fine. The peeling tabs I always ripped off without the actual protector lately, so ow, it's hurting me. So that feels decent in the hand. Of course, it's made of plastic. In the box, we have, OTG cable, charging cable, Type-C, and our charging brick. This is 10 watts. And our SIM ejector tool. So this does, oh, there's the SIM slot. Almost thought this, wouldn't even have one. So yeah, SIM and a micro SD. So pretty important over here. Okay, first impressions. Display looks decent, but looks dim. I think we just have to make it brighter in our settings. But for now, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. So yeah, this is the tablet. It's all set up. It looks decent, more or less, but this is the max brightness and it's pretty dim. So that's kind of disappointing actually. But overall, it runs pretty decently. Let's see if you have face unlock. There's no fingerprint sensor, of course. Yeah, there's the face unlock. Nice. The vibration motor is very tactile and sounds cheap at the same time. So that's interesting. I think we have to just keep like that. All right, so it worked. So first things first, let's test that face unlock. So as you can hear, there's a vibration when you unlock it. All right, so I was exiting from the Play Store and the tablet just decided to restart. So yeah, not a good first impression. I mean, it's pretty slow. So I did this. It's not even gonna let me exit. So I exited, it froze, then restarts. So yeah, probably a one-time thing though. And we do have a bunch of these pre-installed games, but we're not gonna get into that. Okay, Knife It surprisingly runs good. Alright, so Knife It runs surprisingly good. Let's try Wind Rider now. Okay, Wind Rider. It's playable, but it's kind of lagging. Oh, yeah, that was a big lag right there. Oh my god. And it crashed. So yeah, Wind Rider does not work that well here. Okay, for some reason this is tutorial mode, but you guys get the point.
Swipe the screen with your right hand to control where
So,
next.
I mean, it's not the highest. Wait, let me turn off this shit. Alright, so anyway. So it's not the highest frame rate, like not the highest FPS. But it is playable. I mean, you get a nice big screen, even though it's not the best display out there. Then it's still perfectly playable, you know, like. So yeah, I think this phone is like not the best for gaming, but it's decent enough. So the speaker is actually pretty decent. We have one or two of them. It's hard to tell it. So they are coming from both speaker grills when I blocked both of them. no muffled up effect, so which tells me that the sound is managing to escape from like all over the device, which is interesting. But yeah, speaker's pretty decent overall. Rear camera is 5 megapixels, front camera 1.9 megapixels, rear video up to 720p. The front video only gets to 480p. Wow, yeah, that is poor. All right, first selfie. Outside. Video. I can barely see the screen. I'm in direct sunlight and I can barely see anything. It's front-facing video. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this tablet? And I'm gonna say for $120, I think it's a perfectly fair price, you know, like the display is like not so good. It's dim and the colors are not vibrant at all. Camera is bad, but the performance for the price is decent and so is the speakers. So for the price, I think you're getting a pretty good deal here. If that is, you can find it for $120. Any more expensive than that, then it might start to not be worth it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.